I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Titanfall 2. First, you can purchase the game on PC, PlayStation 4, or Xbox One. For PC players, many enjoy multiplayer through community-driven clients like Northstar, which offers custom servers and mods. Console players on PlayStation 4 and Xbox One typically find official multiplayer servers to be fully functional, providing a smooth online experience. Dive into the action and experience the unique blend of pilot and Titan combat. Mastering pilot movement is crucial for success. You'll constantly be wall running, double jumping, and sliding across maps, creating incredibly fluid and dynamic engagements. Experiment with tactical abilities such as the grappling hook or phase shift to outmaneuver opponents and gain a strategic advantage. The pilot combat is incredibly fast-paced, demanding quick reflexes and precise aim to dominate the battlefield against other agile pilots. When your Titan is ready, call it down for devastating mech combat. There are 6 distinct Titan chassis, each offering unique weapons and abilities, from the heavy-hitting Scorch to the agile Ronin. Understanding your Titan's strengths and weaknesses is key. Manage your health and regenerating shield, and work with your team to unleash powerful coordinated attacks. A well-timed Titanfall can turn the tide of any battle. Titanfall 2 offers extensive customization for both your pilot and Titan, allowing you to personalize their appearance with different skins, camos, and nose art. On PC, the vibrant community provides access to custom game modes and modifications through clients like Northstar, expanding gameplay possibilities. Join online forums and Discord groups to connect with fellow pilots, share strategies, and stay updated on community events and server status.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.